Dimensional mixed media is the topic of this challenge, and our featured guest today is Carmen Urbano.
Hi, Manu.
Hi, Carmen. Welcome.
For me, mixed media is another material to add volume to my cookies, because I don't like flat cookies. I never liked flat cookies, and that's what I start experimenting more and more and more and everything. Every time I add different things to my cookies and to achieve volume. So I choose very careful what areas we're going to work with other media that is not royal icing. My focus was the wings. The wings are made with rice paste.
So Carmen is ready to start her demo.
Highlighter with vodka gets dry very easily.
Here we are with Carmen and the beautiful ballerina that she has demonstrated. Thank you so much, Carmen, for this demo. It was really nice. I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure it will inspire Cookie Connection member and whoever would like to enter the challenge to create something really nice. So, ciao Carmen, and the challenge is now open.
Oh, Manu, thank you for everything.
Bye.